Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop shopping list module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how you can allow your customers to add various products into an unorganized list from where they can recall what they might have saved to buy in future or in coming time. This shopping list helps customers to recall any product that they might have liked or thought of buying at a near time in future. So this will particularly help the customers in saving the list and go back to that list to have a look at it so that they can decide about their purchase decision very easily. Now let's see that how this shopping list module can be configured and what is the front-end workflow for the customers and how they can use it easily. So let's just go to the Prestashop back office now. In the back office, as you can see that I have already installed this module. Now let's click on the configure button. As you can see, the configuration part of the module contains various options. Under these options, there are various settings to configure. Let's see each of the options available under the configuration settings one by one. The first option is default number of shopping lists to display. How many shopping lists you want to show to your customers, or let's just say if your customer has created multiple shopping lists, say 3, 4 or even 10 or 15 shopping lists he have created, then how many number of shopping lists you want him to show at front end in under the shopping list section available under the customer dashboard, so that you can select from here. Then number of shopping lists on view more. Let's just say if a customer has created a shopping list that is more than the number which you have entered in the first option, then how many shopping lists will you be showing to him if there is a view more options available on that shopping list page. After that, how many number of products you want to display in a particular list. Then there will also be a button to view more of the products. Say if a shopping list contains more than the set number of products, that is in this case that is 6, and say a customer has added 10 or 15 products, then you will also need to show him those products too. Then a view more button will be helpful in that case, and on clicking the view more button you will also need to decide how many products you are going to show to that customer in after clicking that button. So you can decide here by setting up a number which is favorable to you or which will be convenient according to you. After saving these settings, there is nothing more to configure in the module. Now let's just go to the front end. At the front end of the shop, as you can see, on every product this button is added. You may notice the content here that create shopping list to add. This particular content is being shown because this particular customer has yet not created any shopping list. As you can see, his shopping list is empty. But you can also choose to create a new shopping list from here by clicking on this button and entering these fields and clicking on submit button. Otherwise, a customer can also click here and he will be redirected to this page where this item is added according to a quantity. Customer can also edit the quantity or the combination of the product. As you can see, you can change the quantity and click on this plus button to add in the list. As these two combinations are showing a cross button, then you can say that these two products along with their particular or chosen quantity by the customer is added to a list. Now click on the close button to close that tab. After that, a customer can also choose to delete this particular product or all the quantities that have been added for particular combinations of this product by clicking on this delete button. Now, after clicking this on the shopping list button available on the home page, customer lands here. Now he can click on this add new shopping list button here too, because he will be needing to create a shopping list to add this particular product with all the combinations and the quantities that he has already selected. Now let's just fill the details. After clicking on the shopping list button or submit button, a shopping list will be created. Now a customer can also go to the customer dashboard, click on the shopping list. As you can see, this my shopping list is added, and another list is also added because we have chosen to create a new shopping list. In order to create multiple shopping lists, a customer only needs to click on this button and fill in the required details that are being shown here. And another way of creating the shopping list is from here, as I have already explained you. Now this particular shopping list was already created by clicking on that button. Now in case if a customer chooses to create a shopping list, then he will be needing to add some products to that section, that shopping list too. For that, a customer can easily click on this add product button, and here as you can see, a drop down menu is also available now, because this particular customer has now this customer has now created multiple shopping lists to his account, and list of all those shopping lists is shown here. By clicking on any of these shopping list, this particular product will be added to that particular shopping list, which we will be clicking here. As you can see, this is added to a shopping list. As you might be noticing that here we are showing my shopping list and this one is my list. This my shopping list was created by default when no shopping list was created by customer. As I have already mentioned to you, when no shopping list is created by customer, here another option is being shown at the front end or the home page of the shop, or any page of the shop, you can say, that is category page or wherever the product listing is shown, or even on the product page. Now customer has created multiple shopping lists, so he will need to choose a shop list to which he wants to add a particular product. Now clicking on any of the list, he can easily add multiple products to that particular shopping list. To check whether the product has been added to the shopping list successfully or not, he can again go to the customer dashboard, after that to shopping list. Now he can see that multiple products has been added to this particular shopping list, and this list was added with one product only, then one product will be shown here. A customer can also choose to change the view of this shopping list or view of the products which is being shown here. In this way, you can easily see the details of the customer. Here, as you can see, the details of all the combinations which has been added to a shopping list is also shown here. As this particular product doesn't contain any combination, so no combination details are here. A customer, if he wishes or she wishes, then he can click on this button to create a duplicate shopping list. That will be exactly like this. I'll just show you how. Let's just create a duplicate shopping list of this particular list. As you can see, a detail with copy, which will signify that this was the copied list, is being created. Now, as you can see, view more button is also here. According to the settings that we have configured in the configuration settings, we are getting a view more button because no more than 2 shopping lists will be shown on the page if we land here. In case if we set it to 3, then after 3 shopping lists, that view more button will be displayed. A customer can easily click on this create order button to create an order consisting of all these combinations with their exact same quantities which has been added to a shopping list. This will make the process very easier for customer. Let's just see, if a customer is planning to buy for a particular occasion or a function, then he will be making his mind up to the products that he wishes to buy in numerous number of days or numerous number of days of browsing on the website. So he can now easily create or add the quantity and the combination of a product to a shopping list, and at the end he can choose to buy all those products in one go. That is, at once he can be able to create an order of all those products which he has added to a particular shopping list. By clicking on the create order button, he will be redirected to the checkout page with exactly the number of quantities that has been added to a shopping list and all the combinations of those products, as you can see here. After that, the ordering process goes same. That goes for any normal product ordering that happens in an Prestashop. So this was all about the Prestashop shopping list module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.